What up? It's Vitela, home technology expert. I'm back over in Yorba Linda, California, working for a family that I just absolutely adore. They invited me over to rip out their existing security and alarm system that they have inside their house and modernize it. What they currently have right now is a system by Vivint. This is the ugly cameras that they put around the house. I mean, look at the difference. I installed Ring hardwired Pro cameras and also an alarm system inside of the house that I'm about to show you. That Vivint system, after they're done with their contract, is $2,500 over the course of 3 years versus $600 over the course of 3 years with Ring. What a difference. Now, here is the Ring Video Doorbell, the Pro Series, the second generation for the front door. That's just gonna operate way better. Now let me show you something inside of the house. Anytime I'm working on a smart home system, I always make sure that there's great internet around the house. I installed eero Pro Wi-Fi 6E mesh internet around the house. And of course, this is the Google Wi-Fi that they had previously that is just antiquated and old. So now their system is gonna operate much more reliably. Besides adding Ring floodlight cameras to cover the side gate, I also added them in the backyard so they could cover different areas of the backyard. Besides doing the Ring cameras and alarm, I also do 4K TVs and audio speakers. So you'll notice that the two TVs out in the back here, I installed Sonos soundbar speakers, and I also set up a couple of Sonos Move wireless speakers that you can see here. So you could have one speaker by the pool, you could put another speaker over by the patio table, and you could rock out listening to Apple Music or Spotify, or you could listen to the game. Here's another shot of the Ring Pro Series camera floodlight that looks over at this part of the backyard. When I set up the cameras, I set them up so that way you could control the lights just like this from your iPhone to turn it on, turn it off, or it could be with the motion sensor. When it gets dark, the lights will automatically come on. Very simple and easy to use. Let's take a look inside the house. Inside of the house, you could see the Ring alarm keypad. This is with 911 professional monitoring. Now remember, the service is under 17 bucks a month, $200 a year. So this is a complete alarm system. It has door, window, contact sensors, motion sensors, and also smoke detectors, carbon monoxide detectors that all get triggered for the 911 professional Ring alarm system. And here you can see that I added Ring glass break sensors that also trigger the alarm system. Alexa, show me golf camera.
Okay.
Alexa, hide camera.
Now that's pretty cool, right? You know, whenever you go to hometechexpert.com and you click on scheduling a free in-home estimate, here's what I want you to do, exactly what I'm doing here. I just want you to kick back, relax, and have us take care of you.